guys, welcome back to
Start over.
Buttercup Slimes. I'm Louise.
I'm Eloise.
And today we're going to be showing you this Nickelodeon slime. And we're going to open it.
We haven't seen anything like what's in it.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go.
Okay. It gives you some just directions.
And then it gives you containers and spoons.
It gives you 1 bottle of slime activator,
White glue.
paints,
Clear glue. More paints.
more paints,
Bowl.
another bottle of slime activator,
Foam beads. Glitter. And that's it.
that's it. So we're gonna put the box over there.
Yeah.
So today we are going to be making glitter slime.
Okay. So, it says right here for the, directions, it says, put the white glue in the bowl.
So we're
just going to put like a little bit, probably just like a tablespoon. Okay, that's good. And then we put our slime activator.
color.
Oh yeah, color.
So we're gonna do, what color should we do? Should we do pink?
Yeah, let's do pink. Here, let me.
We're gonna do some pink.
And so, popsicle stick. The glue's like, it feels already like slime.
It looks
Smells
like
good.
it looks like it's slime already.
Yeah. That needs a lot of paint.
Okay, I
Okay.
think that's gonna be
I
it.
think that's pretty.
So now we're probably only gonna add a little bit of the slime activator
Because-
since the glue already it looks like slime. So
Yeah, so here we go. Okay, that's good.
oh, it's already turning into slime.
That's more. Okay. Okay.
Whoa!
Actually, like, slimy.
Yeah.
Slime.
That's so cool.
So tiny. Here, you take some. Okay, so now we're going to, should we put glitter in it?
Yeah, we're gonna put some a little
Glitter in it. Okay.
We're gonna put it back all up again.
Okay. Here, I'll mix it. Stick. It's not very sticky. Like an actual slime would be.
Does it poke?
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Okay, guys, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe down below.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Smash the subscribe